friends, it's Kelly back with another process video, and today I am using my new Cocoa Vanilla Merry and Bright Christmas collection. I'm so excited to get this collection. And I'm really quickly just going to go through and select my background papers here, or the papers that I want to use. I'm using those two pictures of my daughter baking a cake last Christmas, and her stepdaughter peeking over the counter watching what she's doing. I thought those were sweet pictures. And I have this thicker placement tool that this is literally the first time I've ever used it. I bought these at Tuesday Morning quite a while back, and I have never used them. And here I'm not even using it for what it's meant for, but hey, it works. I wanted to create kind of the tool gave me the idea of creating a curved line for my page, as you see there. And my idea is to run my title along that same curved wavy line, and in the end it turns out just how I kind of imagined, and I like that I was able to actually use this tool finally. I'm so bad about and I know it was Janet I saw who used this of RTS, and I see her use it. I think, oh my goodness, I need that. So I see it at Tuesday Morning or wherever, and I buy it, and then I forget about it or can't get inspired by it or whatever. So, and I'm trying to decide here which color to map my photos in. I need something to kind of make it pop off of the white background. I haven't put out many videos lately, as you might have noticed. I won't say probably noticed, you might have noticed. I've just been like everybody else, I have been super busy I hosted Thanksgiving. I had all my kids in town, and school this time of year is always extra busy, so I just really haven't had much time to scrapbook. And whenever I do have time to scrapbook, I'm not feeling inspired because I'm tired. And also I've used a lot of my creativity lately decorating the house and decorating stuff at school, and so I guess I get my creativity fixed doing other things lately. So yeah, I'll be glad to have we get off at the end of next week, so we get kind of a 2-week Christmas break. So I'm looking forward to just having some time to just be at home. I am a major homebody, so I love being here. Home is my favorite place to be. So, as you can see here, I am using the tool. So proud of myself. I'm patting myself on the back. I'm using this tool to run my title, which is going to be Christmas Baking, and then the date, which would be 2019. Whenever I was scrapping this, I thought, wow, we had such a wonderful Thanksgiving, and if I had known all the craziness that was going to ensue just a month or two after this, I feel like I would have soaked up every moment that I could. I try to do that anyway, but I would have really, really cherished this holiday, because this was back when life was normal, right? And then I thought, I left for a few minutes and came back, and I thought, I want some kind of separation or some kind of definition along this curve. And I pulled out this pink it's like little miniature pom-poms that I had got at the Target dollar spot last year. So I'm using all kinds of things that I don't normally use. And I just ran that along the edge there. And I really like how that turned out. It's kind of a unique border trim. And I just kind of like it adds a little festivity to the page. And it's non-traditional colors, which I love for Christmas. I love traditional colors too, but sometimes it's fun to scrapbook with something that's non-traditional. So I'm going to create my clusters just along this same curved path, just to kind of keep the eye flowing in that direction. Didn't spend too long fussing around with this. This is the first time I've used this collection, and so I had tons of options in this die cut pack, so it was it came together fairly easy. So, is everybody else, or how are you guys doing as far as your Christmas scrapbooking? Are you doing like December documented, or I know Allie Edwards does one. I've always done Shamil's Journal Your Christmas. That's the one I've been a part of that for years and years, and this is kind of the first year that I haven't done it. And it makes me kind of sad, but I'm just not feeling it this year. It's like I want to, I'll scrapbook pictures of Christmas and everything, but I guess I'm just not feeling like I want that commitment. And generally when I start something like that, I want to finish it. So I'm just decided this year to give myself a break. And do what I want to do. I mean, and usually whenever I do that, I really am inspired to do it. I really love doing it, and I want to do it. But this year, I'm just feeling like I'm not so much. So I'm just going to do some 12 by 12 layouts about Christmas and be content with that. So right there, the G has the descending tail, so I had to chop some of the pom-poms off so that would lay semi-flat for my title. And those little gold stars, the puffy gold stars, they are my favorite. I love those little embellishments. They're fun to use, and they're thin enough to where you can still layer them, so it makes them super useful, in my opinion. And I'm gonna add, because I've just got to keep adding more stuff. I want to use all of the things on this page that came in this collection. And I get a whole lot of stuff on here, but I still have enough to make more layouts. So I got the Joy flare on there, which sometimes struggle using flare, but it seemed to go just right there. I decided I played with the little banner pieces, and I just went with that, with the one on that top picture. And it still wasn't laying flat enough to my liking, so I went ahead and chopped a little bit more of the pom-poms off. That is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, a wonderful December, preparing for Christmas. And if you enjoyed this video, I ask that you please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.